Find the value of angle x. Cyclic quadrilateral theorem, line construction, and angle in a semicircle theorem are used to solve this question. Label points C, D, E, and G. It implies that angle DEG equals 180 degrees minus angle GCD, which equals 180 degrees minus 70 degrees. The results simplify to 110 degrees. This is because the opposite angles of a cyclic quadrilateral are supplementary. Join line DG. From triangle DEG, angle GD equals angle DGE. The reason is that base angles of an isosceles triangle are equal. It follows that the sum of 2 times angle GDE and angle DEG equals to 180 degrees. It is because sum of angles in a triangle equals 180 degrees. Substitute values. We have that the sum of 2 times angle GDE and angle 110 degrees equals 180 degrees. This implies that 2 times angle GD equals 180 degrees minus 110 degrees, which equals 70 degrees. Divide the equation by 2. It signifies that angle GD equals half of 70 degrees, which equals 35 degrees. This result is equals to angle DGE. This is because base angles of an isosceles triangle are equal. From triangle CDG, angle DGC equals 90 degrees. This is because angle in a semicircle is equals to 90 degrees. This implies that x equals angle CGE, which equals to the sum of angle DGE and angle DGC. The result is equals to 125 degrees, after substitution and simplification of values. Therefore, x equals to 125 degrees.